Hey there, it's Kelly here. I wanted to show you how easy it is to implement the Canva slide deck template that we have provided with this content. So we're talking about this package right here, Transform Your Business with a 5-Day Challenge. It comes with a big juicy blog post, social images, social updates, a complete workbook training. It comes with graphics, opt-in page content, emails for following up, and this new bonus Canva slide deck. So what I wanted to do was take a look at this content and look at how we can reimagine the use of some of the content. This 5 beautiful benefits of hosting a 5-day challenge was written as a blog post intended to promote the workbook as a content upgrade. So I want you to rethink that blog post content as a video, as it could be a light type, super short and sweet YouTube video. It could be a Facebook live stream, or it could be presented as a small webinar with discussion. So let's take a look. The slide deck is built in Canva. Everything is completely editable on your end. We took the headings of the blog post and we turned those into slide decks, slides. And then we added an about you slide and a call to action slide. And I just want to show you, all you really need to do is tweak this. So if I were going to adapt this for use for myself, I would put my name in there, my URL in there. I would put a little bio about myself in here. You want to publish content you're proud of for the people you love, and I want to help you do it. As a veteran content creator with over 20 years experience in podcasting, blogging, email marketing, and product creation. I love what I do, and I love what I do. Let's just say that. And then the placeholder photo, upload a photo of yourself and then just drag it right over. Boop. It's that easy. Now this page represents me. And then the call to action page, what I want to do is invite them to get the full training workbook from me. So I'm just going to move these things over, and I'm going to bring in that image of the training workbook. And say, I have a full training complete with a brainstorming workbook that's going to make it easy. And then, whoops. And then I'm gonna add my call to action here. Maybe that's going to be lpamm.com/5-day. I just want to visually represent where they can go to take action on my offer. So if I'm going to use this, to record a Facebook Live, I might use that to promote an opt-in page where they can come and claim that workbook from me for free. If I use this to present a short webinar, I might direct them to a sales page where I offer them a coaching program that includes the training and workbook. So whatever call to action you want to make here, boom, done. Then you're going to, you can present the product, you can present the slideshow from directly within Canva, which I have to admit, I've never used Canva that way, but I am way more likely to download the PDF and then use it myself in my Zoom room. So download that, and here we go. We have this fully personalized copy of the deck. And how fast and easy that was. Now it's just a matter of deciding where I'm going to use it. And just to remind you, the content that supports this slide deck is included in here. You could read it in conjunction with the slide deck. Boom, done, easy. You could take it and edit it down. You could add a couple of your own stories in there. Like whatever you want to do, make it your own, have fun with it, put it out there so it can start to do you and your business some good.